How do I transfer music from my iPhone to my iTunes library?
Hello, and welcome to our tutorial. Today, we're going to learn how to transfer music from your iPhone to your iTunes library. This process can be very helpful if you have music on your iPhone that you want to back up or enjoy on other devices via iTunes.
What will you need?
To begin, you're going to need a few things: your iPhone with the music you want to transfer, a USB cable to connect your iPhone to your computer, a computer with iTunes installed. Make sure you have the latest version of iTunes. Remember, always handle your devices and data with care.
How to connect your iPhone to your computer?
After you have all the necessary equipment, you'll need to connect your iPhone to your computer. 1. Open iTunes on your computer. 2. Use your USB cable to connect your iPhone to your computer. 3. Your iPhone should appear in iTunes. If it doesn't, unplug and plug it back in again, or try a different USB port.
How to transfer music from your iPhone to iTunes?
Now, it's time to actually transfer the music. 1. Click on the device icon that represents your iPhone in iTunes. 2. Go to the File menu, then select Devices, and then click on Transfer Purchases from your iPhone name. 3. Your music should now start transferring from your iPhone to your iTunes library. Note that this method works for music purchased through the iTunes Store. If you have music on your iPhone from other sources, you might need to use a third-party application for the transfer. And that's it. You've now learned how to transfer music from your iPhone to your iTunes library. We hope this tutorial was easy to follow and helpful for you. Keep enjoying your music, and we'll see you in our next tutorial.